Hi guys, do you know what is Heron's formula? Using Heron's formula, you can determine the area of a triangle that is not right angled. We can easily determine the area of right angled triangle, but using Heron's formula, the triangle which is not right angled, you can determine the area of that triangle very easily. This ABC triangle is not a right angle triangle. The sides of this triangle is 5, 7 and 10. So S equals 5 plus 7 plus 10 divided by 2 equals 22 divided by 2 equals 11. Now if we want to determine the area of this ABC triangle, then we can use the Heron's formula. The Heron's formula is triangle ABC, area of the triangle equals root over S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. Here A equals 5, B equals 7 and C equals 10. So root over 11 into 11 minus 5 into 11 minus 7 into 11 minus 10. So equals root over 11 into 6 into 4 into 1, so equals root over 264. If we multiply 11, 6 and 4, then we will get root over 264 equals 16.248. 16.248 equals 16.25. This is answer. So using Heron's formula, we can determine the area of a triangle that is not right angled in this way. Thank you.